Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can create a new repository on the command line, and we will perform Git operations. If you have not checked my previous GitHub tutorial, please check the links in the description below. Also, if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. It will be much appreciated. Thank you. So let's go to our GitHub account. Let's sign in and let's create a new repository. So let's create new. Then let's name it as project 1. And then let's create repository. And it will tell you the steps on how you can create a new repository on the command line. So let's follow the instruction here. So first, let's create a folder on the terminal. So as you can see, the list doesn't show a folder for project 1, but let's create a new one. mkdir project 1, and then let's go to project 1. So it's empty. So let's follow the command here. Let's add a file using an echo command. Enter. So readme file is now created, and let's perform a git init initialization. And it says here, using master as the name of the initial branch, this default branch name is subject to change. So let's just follow the command here below, but you can also use this one. But in this tutorial, I will show you the last command here. So git branch -m, which is renaming the branch name, right? So git branch -m, and then let's name it as main because that's the name of the branch, yeah? Enter. So then let's perform again the git init, and now it's been reinitialized. And then let's check the files. So it created a Git folder for us. And then let's follow the third step, git add readme. Yep. And then let's commit git commit -m. So let's enter. Let's follow this one. Oh, we don't need to do this one, git branch -m main, because capital -m and the small m that we did here is the same. So it's just referring, the capital M is just referring to the small m. It's just an alias. So let's do the next step, which is this one, and then paste it here. So we will add the origin, which is the repo that we just created in the dashboard. And then the last step is to git push. Yeah, enter. Now it's been pushed to the Ansible. I'm sorry. So it's been pushed to GitHub dashboard. So let's refresh this dashboard. And as you can see, the README file that we just created has been pushed to our GitHub dashboard. So let's create additional files. So let's say, let's attach ansible1.yaml, attach ansible2.yaml, attach ansible3.yaml. And then let's do a list. And we have added 3 additional files. So let's perform git operations again. So let's do a git status. As you can see here, we still have untracked files, so we need to add it. So git add and then Ansible 1, git add Ansible 2, git add Ansible 3. Actually, you can just do this git add and then the dot or the period sign, and then it will just add everything for you. Yeah. So let's perform a git status. Yep. These files need a commit. So let's commit it. So let git commit -m first commit per se. Enter. And let's do a git status again. So we need to push this to GitHub, right? So let's do a git push command. It's been pushed successfully. So if you do a git status, nothing to commit, working tree clean, branch is up to date. All right, let's verify the dashboard and let's refresh the dashboard here. And as you can see, those files has been pushed to our dashboard. It's been synchronized. That's all for now. Thank you.